What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to share photos from Google Drive in mobile. So let's get right into the video. Head over to your Google Drive on your phone and you can see there is a photo in my Google Drive and I want to share it via this drive. And all I need to do is click on the three dots icon and here go to share. And here you can see a manage access option. Click on that log and here change the general access from restricted to anyone with the link and change it to viewer from editor or commenter, whatever you like. I'm keeping it to a viewer. All you need to do is now copy the link. Now all you need to do is go to the three dot option and copy link and paste it anywhere you like, and your photo will be shared via Google Drive in mobile. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.